In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. A vendor credit records money your supplier owes you. Maybe you returned items, received a price adjustment, or were overbilled. Entering it correctly ensures your payables and expenses stay accurate, and the credit will be available the next time you pay that vendor. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and opening the company where you want to record the credit. From the main dashboard, click the New or Plus icon. In the menu that appears, look for the Vendors or Supplier section and choose Vendor Credit. This opens the vendor credit form. At the top, select the vendor issuing the credit. QuickBooks will pull in their details automatically. Set the credit date to the date on the credit memo you received, and if you have one, enter the reference number so you can match the credit to the vendor's paperwork later. You can also add a memo to describe why you're receiving the credit. That note will make it easier to find and understand the transaction later. Now decide where to enter the details. Use category details if the original purchase was recorded as expense accounts like office supplies, utilities, or repairs. Use item details if you track products or services and the original purchase used items. This is especially important for inventory because it adjusts quantities and costs correctly. In either section, enter the accounts or items, a clear description, the quantity if relevant, and the amount of the credit. Enter amounts as positive numbers. QuickBooks treats this form as a reduction automatically. If you track classes or locations, add those so reporting stays consistent. Attach the vendor's credit memo using the attachment field to keep your source document with the transaction. Before saving, double-check the vendor name, the date, the accounts or items selected, and the total credit amount. If any required fields are missing, QuickBooks will highlight them so you can complete them. When everything looks good, click Save or Save and Close. You'll see a confirmation that the vendor credit has been recorded. To confirm later, open Expenses, go to the vendors list, and select the vendor. You'll see the vendor credit in their transaction history. The next time you pay this vendor, the credit will be available on the Pay Bills screen to reduce what you owe. A quick tip. Always mirror the original bill. Use the same accounts or items, so the credit offsets the right expenses or inventory. That's it. You've entered a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online accurately and ready to apply.